everyone. Yes, it's me, Laura Rivera with the short hair, new look for the summer. Anyway, I'm here standing in front of some model homes for the Galloway communities area. Over here, this is a senior 55 and older community. What is nice about is that the location is really nice. Okay, so you have homes with views of the Santa Clarita Valley, but also this street that comes up here to the community is Golden Valley, and it takes you, basically you're in the middle of the city, so you can get very quickly to any shopping areas that you would like to go. And the fun thing is that the YMCA is getting built right next door, and the senior center. So the senior center and YMCA are right along within the community. So that is great. Now I'm going to show you some of the models. Remember, these homes are for people 55 and above, and the homes run from 1,400 square feet. They have one model that is only 1 story, the other ones are 2 story, but you can live in all of the homes. Everything that you need is downstairs. So bedrooms downstairs, everything is downstairs, so you can live only downstairs. And they go up to 2,400 square feet. And the prices are somewhere in the low 500s up to the 600s. So let's go take a look at them. Bye. Important information. If you decide to visit any new development community without your own realtor, me, and later decide to buy, you will not be represented by an agent who negotiates just for you. So watch out. Okay, everyone, so here we are. This is residence number 3 in the Galloway community for seniors 55 and older. We have a bedroom downstairs, as you can see. So right away you come in, you have a bedroom, so easy access with a quick look over here. It's got a small closet. Then you have, take a note, very spacious entrances. So this is the first full bathroom. And we're gonna come down here. This is the main area. Look at this, very nice. The living room. Of course, this is the model home, so it's got awesome views. You have a little yard over there. The kitchen is amazing. This is what we all like. We love all this space to entertain. Now, washer and dryer or your laundry room will be just right here. Super fast. Garage right here. So, as you can see, you have all of your living space down here. You have another bedroom, or your main bedroom actually, right here. This is the master. Ah, very nice view, but of course this is the model. So, and we have the master bathroom. Wow. So, with a tub, and look at this walk-in shower. This is nice. You don't have to be going like that. You just sitting. So, toilet, of course, closet, and this house, it's a 2-story house. So it does have a bedroom upstairs. This is residence number 3. It's about 2,400 square feet. It runs in the 600s, low 600s, somewhere over there. So you go upstairs and you finish the tour over there. But this is residence number 3. Let me know if you're interested in this one. Let's go to residence number 4. Bye. Okay guys, still residence 3. I decided to show you the 2nd floor. This is awesome. We do have a bedroom, but look at this loft. It's a huge loft. All of those like balconies that you see are usually optional. So that would probably be just a sliding door, nice window or something, but it's probably not a balcony like that. We have a full bathroom over here and the bedroom. So this is upstairs. This will be basically for your guests. They have guest quarters up here. So it's beautiful. So that's it. I wanted to show you residence 3, the top floor. But you can live, everything is downstairs that you need. So see you. Bye. Hello, we are in residence number 4, Galloway community for 55 and older. We have the first bedroom right here in the entrance with a small closet. Then we have our first full bathroom with a shower. We have a very good sized closet right here in the entrance too. And the main area, which is really nice. That's something that most of the new homes right now, you're gonna see these big islands, because everybody, we just love to be right there where the action is going, cooking, right? So that's what most of the houses have that. They all have a little yard. Your living room area over here. This is a pantry, nice pantry. Also, you have to take a note, the washer, dryer, laundry room is right here too. And your garage access, it was right by the entrance too, so everything is just easy to move in and come in, no steps, anywhere. Here's your master bedroom. Nice. Oh my gosh. Now you have to take a look at this. Big shower. Wow. This shower is for, you keep going and going. It's so big. Oh my gosh. So it's very nice. So let me show you the closet. You have a big closet too. Have nice big closet. And this home is about 1,900 square feet. It is another two-story house. This ones go somewhere in the 570, somewhere there they start. So if you would like some things differently in the house, those are all options. So it does have a second story. So let's go see it. Here we are, second story, second floor for residence number 4. It's basically, it's a very cute loft. It's an area where if your grandchildren come, they can all sleep over here. You just put them all little blankets or something, and it's got a half bathroom up here, which is really nice. They don't have to run downstairs. So that's it. This is the residence number 4. Now we're gonna go see residence number 5. See you soon. Welcome to residence number 5. We're in the Galloway, remember, in the community for 55 plus people. The entrance is right here, and you have your laundry room right here on the right. Then you have a full bathroom with a shower right here. Very nice. And then you have your first bedroom for, it's a guest bedroom. So with a small closet over here. So that is your first one. Remember, this one is also two-story, but everything that you need is downstairs, of course, because they are for retiring people. So we have the main area, living room, they set up a little more formal sitting over here, but the kitchen with the island, like always, we love it. These areas over here, of course, they're optional. It depends where you get your lot, the lot that you get to build your home. But look at this, nice, huh? Double oven, double oven. We can make big turkeys. And this is the master, which is so beautiful. I love that they did this big slider to go outside in your yard. That's very nice. So maybe putting a little shade would be a good idea. Oh, we have another big shower. Wow, this is amazing. Nice. I like the styles. This is nice because you open it, you turn it right here, and you don't get the cold water shooting on you. You let it warm up. So we have the toilet right here and the walk-in closet. Walk-in closet is actually pretty nice. You still have a little space on this side. See? You can set up a ring bell so you know who's out there and you know if you want to let them in. Okay, so this is the bottom floor. Now we're gonna go see the second floor. Let's go. Okay, we are in the residence number 5, and we just came upstairs, and here's the first bedroom. It's got something very interesting. See all this little funny openings? Well, we figure, of course, you have a door here, door here, door here, So if you are using this bedroom, you close these doors and then you have privacy in the bathroom. But someone else might want to have access to this bathroom, so you close all of these doors. So you don't have to come out that way, you can come directly. We figure it out. So it's a full bathroom, very nice. Now, it's got this little area. This could be maybe a homework station. You could put a desk, but of course, they put a bar, which we like for retiring people. And this is a big bedroom. It's a loft, so you can set it up for people to sleep, or maybe put some day beds. That would be good too, or sofa beds. That would be nice. So anyway, this is a good place to play with your grandchildren. And I love this. I've never seen such a big Scrabble thing. That's cool. So anyway, this is residence number 5, and we're at the Galloway in Santa Clarita. So if you want more information, just let me know, reach out to me, and I'll be happy to bring you over to see them. Take care. Bye.